What up, HVAC people? We in here. All right. This is my work bag right here. The Veto pack with all my tools. So I've been doing a little side work on the side, but now I'm getting more focused because I got my contractor license probably about 6 months ago. So I've been doing a lot of marketing, trying to eventually get out there on my own. So usually I do little side jobs when I get off or on the weekend on my own. Just trying to build my clientele up. But what's been happening is when I get off of work at my full-time job, and when I get ready to work on my future and work on my fortune, which is my business and building my brand, Washington AC and Heating LLC. I get here around 4 or 5 in the evening, and I may have a appointment set up to do some work, and I have all my most of my stuff up in here. And I have most of my tools in my work truck. So, and it takes almost like 30 minutes, an hour just throwing this heavy stuff in my personal truck. So, what I'm doing, slowly for surely, I went and bought another Veto pack. It has a same thing, 5-year warranty on it. Pay about, I think, $150 for it, and it comes. I fill out this informational thing, and it comes with a free side bag. That's almost $100. It's $65 that it sells. So I'm gonna fill out this right here and send this so I can get my free little side hip bag where I can keep little small stuff in. To go on routes or do a quick troubleshooting call, I can use this right here. So I'm geeked about that. Like I say, but this gonna come in handy right here. I think I said I was gonna get those digital gauges, and they came in today. So if everybody know me, I'm a regular manifold guy, but I want to get these digital gauge because I think these hook up with the Bluetooth, a smartphone. So, because right now I'm doing the small commercial residential on my own, but I want to be able to get a customer a report of what's going on, so I can show them the pressures in the subcooler and maybe print it out. But I gotta read up on them and learn exactly what it's doing. But it is a touch screen. Color touch screen, data logging, Manto app. I already downloaded the Manto app. It looked like it was pretty cool. Got a 2-year warranty on it. You got a vacuum sensor included, superheating sub, cool, vacuum and pressure hold test. So I should be able to hold it at 500 microns or under 1,000. So like I say, I'm really excited about that. So hopefully I can, like I say, get it print out. Cause right now I trying to build my own brand and show the customer that they got the right guy. They had the right tech. So like I say, so I got this. So I'm gonna keep this in my personal truck, so I can just hop out my work truck and hop in my personal truck and go out on service call. So I'm gonna slowly start. I'm gonna have 2 of everything. I already got like 2 drills. Let me see. Yeah. These my signs here. I got my TDLR, but I'm not using those signs. I got my own logo and everything. I got the booty form. So I'm keeping it drill, but I'm gonna get another small D-walk like I got at work. Or I might just, let me see. I might just light. But sometimes I forget it though. So I always have one on my truck. I already got a meter in there. I got a couple meters. I got about 4 or 5 different meters. So that ain't no big deal. And I ain't gonna do a whole tube truck, but I ran up on one on it. He was like, you got everything? But yeah, I got everything I need. Everything I need up in there. So we good. Yeah, it's the rat pack though. Yeah. And I installed all this myself. Yeah, for my acetylene, nitrogen, couple tanks, recovery over there. I mean, nice little setup for me for a little one-man shop right now. One-man stop shop. So, like I say, so I'm ready. Another year or two, I should be full-time on my own, but even right now, summertime, I'm already busy. I'm tired now. I'm finna go run on a call now. Gotta go do an inspection for a new homeowner. So yeah, if anybody know like Thumbtack, shout out, leave me a review. Thumbtack keeping me real busy, you know, for a startup, they do all the marketing right now. But anybody leave more comments on marketing, it's another one. Amazon home service, that's going on another level right there. So, but I'm gonna leave more videos talk about that though. But peace out. I'm finna take me a little nap and go pick my wife up and go run on that call. All right, peace out, HVAC people.